Hi everyone, today on FIXBOND we are reviving to completely dead DJI Phantom for drone batteries that refuse to charge or power on. After opening the casings, our multimeter showed 0 volts. To jumpstart them we manually welded charging leads to force charge and balance all for internal cells up to -1 volts. Next we connected the battery circuit to a computer to reset the chip and unlock the data parameters with the cycles restored. We glued the casings back together and brought these two legends back to life. If you just wanted the solution, your answer is right here.